Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. I am working on a realistic SA-10 solid-state amplifier from 1975. Now, this video is not really about this one, but it's primarily about the potentiometers that control the volume. And you can see it right here. This is one of the volume knobs, and here's another volume knob. Here's a balance knob. Now, these are potentiometers, and basically what potentiometers do is as you increase the dial, it will increase the resistance, and depending on where you are, it will send more current through the potentiometer. Now, here's an example of a typical modern day potentiometer here, and it has three legs, 1, 2, and 3. And the center one's basically what reads the current that you're trying to change. And as the dial goes up, there's a little kind of like a contact in like a little dial here with variable resistance. And that's what this center leg is reading. So as you turn this up, the resistance changes and the current through this center leg changes. But in the olden days, they commonly, for radios and amplifiers, use what's called a center tap potentiometer. And this is an example of a center tap potentiometer. You have the three legs like that, as you can see with this one over here. But you also have this center tap, which is basically, again, you have like a carbon ring. And right in the middle of that carbon ring is the center tap. And this actually was kind of popular in the day to help control, kind of accentuate bass tones and reduce tinny sounds for lower volumes. So as you, for lower volumes, as you increase it, you kind of want to accentuate that bass tone and get rid of the tin. At higher volumes, as you go past the center tap, it actually doesn't really matter that much. You don't really see much of a difference. So I figured, I've been working on this, and I actually desoldered the leg or the wire to the center tap. And I think I'm going to plug this in, and at lower volumes, I'm going to kind of contact this and uncontact it, and you can hear the difference in tone. Now, again, these are not that popular today. You do not see this in modern amplifiers, and a lot of people argue that it really doesn't do much of anything. But I figured I'd test this out and see what the sound difference is.
1, 2, 3.
So as I put it on, you hear a reduction in volume, but the bass tends to be a little bit more distinctive and less tinny. And now it's off, and it's a little louder, but you get more of the tin, the treble. And that's the difference. So basically, modern day amplifiers kind of account for this with their balancing and their different equalizers, etc. But in the day, they had these center taps to kind of help reduce that tinny. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.